Today we're making a garlic herb ground turkey risotto bowl. Here we go. So we're gonna get our cherry tomatoes, cut them in half, and put them in the oven to blister them on 400 degrees. While I cut my tomatoes, I've already got my rice going. I've already crisped the rice up, toasted it a little bit, and then I've covered it, put it on medium, and I'm waiting 20 minutes for it to be done. I'm actually gonna put some olive oil on here, salt and pepper, and put it in the oven. Once your tomatoes are in the oven, grab your zucchinis and chop them up into bite sizes. Now, chop your onion. Now that my turkey's cooked down, I'm gonna drain a little bit of the water out. Now I'm gonna cook the mushrooms and the onions. I want to caramelize these. Caramelizing the onions and mushrooms really deepens the flavor without adding fat. Our tomatoes are done. I've added my seasonings. I'm gonna add my garlic. We're just gonna cook the zucchini for a couple minutes and then we're gonna add our turkey back in. Zucchini is cooked down. Now I'm just gonna add my turkey. I haven't added any seasoning to the turkey, so I'm gonna add salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper. Now I'm gonna add about a cup or so of chicken broth. This is gonna deglaze the pan, bring all the brown bits off of the bottom of the pan, and kind of rehydrate the turkey as well. Check for seasoning. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice. You can do fresh lemon juice or you can do this, it doesn't matter. If you do have a whole lemon, put a lot of zest in there too. We're gonna turn the oven off and we're gonna stir in our rice. Take it off the heat. Now we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese, about a half a cup. We're gonna add our parsley. Don't forget about your tomatoes. Cut, cut, cut.